Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Idioms. It's great to have you with us as we explore common English idioms used in daily conversations. Today, we're diving into two very useful phrases, bite the bullet and throw in the towel. Let's get started. First up is bite the bullet. This idiom means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. It means you decide to do something difficult or unpleasant that you have been hesitating about. For example, you could say, I decided to bite the bullet and finish all my homework tonight. Now, let's listen to a short dialogue between Clara and Daniel to see how this idiom is used in a natural setting.
Oh, Daniel, my driving exam is next week. I've already put it off twice. I'm so nervous about it.
I can imagine. Those exams are tough. But you do want to get your license, right?
Yes, desperately. I know I can't keep avoiding it forever. So I've decided I just have to bite the bullet and get it done.
That's the spirit, Clara. You'll feel so relieved once it's over, and I'm sure you'll pass.
Next, let's look at the idiom throw in the towel. This phrase means to give up on something because you feel you cannot succeed. It comes from boxing, where a fighter's coach would literally throw a towel into the ring to signal defeat. For example, he was struggling with the advanced math course, so he decided to throw in the towel and switch to an easier one. Let's hear Clara and Daniel use this idiom in another conversation.
I've been trying to learn to play the guitar for months, but I'm not making much progress.
Oh, really? It can be quite challenging.
Yeah, I'm almost ready to throw in the towel. It's much harder than I thought.
Don't give up yet. Maybe you just need a different teacher or a new approach.
So, today we've learned two common idioms. Bite the bullet, which means to face a difficult situation bravely, and throw in the towel, which means to give up. We hope these explanations and examples help you use these idioms confidently. Do you have any other examples of how to use bite the bullet or throw in the towel? Share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to English Tidbits for more everyday idioms. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.